Tole kama dit Diocese matili ratini wiro padiario kidong diko na pa medorit parabama pigitego pilwak my diocese man watiki reporte ni kijimo ken mapol moti mewilobo kolo tini pini yup melokange mo chiny entomagi ayamatipiri wiye madirone.
At
least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Lira Catholic Diocese tin padiario kidong diko na pa manyen.
The way of using money today is very tempting.
Kadong President Yoweri Museveni olega nyuol gana makibedo wako. Tektu, kadong President Yoweri Museveni olego anyuol Uganda makibedo wako mechone dul wekti kubed yot ni wo keyboard gamente.
We register.
Amari matek man yup melokange mo chwiny ania Sunday akumum. Reverend Sanchez Linos wanok matie Bishop Melira Catholic Diocese tinio wiro Deacon Ario medoro padi kidong lo seminary pa medoro Deacon yub mopong wiye wogom padi Ario na bedo Reverend Father Ray Atura Makia Gwen Catholic Parish Lira District kidong Reverend Father George Olwanda Ocheng mao akia Multa District kidong jomokene yana pa managdilo seminario dongoti odoko Deacon orlega parubam ngengo aki parish Partmati ite Lira Catholic Diocese ndoko gore lega mauti meo chake chawang abich meo diko kabene ngat mo doro lega mani yo beru Bishop Lira Catholic Diocese kilo Kristo mapol mako bertime moko chaden en ikomi yup man mapira tekotwale idini katolikane lo George Pawanlu Television Jasper Igwel ginke Solomon Okabo go berute yup mewiman.
Right Reverend Sanders Lino Wanok, Episcopi Melira Catholic Diocese, Owiru Deacons Ario, Medako Padi, Ka Seminarians Apar, Owiru Medako Deacons, Ikom Deacons Amo Wiru Medako Padi, Enaye, Reverend Father Ray Atola, Mea Gwen Catholic Parish, Ilira District, Kere Reverend Father George Ocheng, Mea Molata District, Ikom Deacons Anyen Amo Wiru, Enaye, Deacon David Onyango, Kere Deacon Brian Opobo, Make Congregation of the Sons of St. Pius, Deacon Samson Odon, Kere Deacon Caesar Pio, Melira Catholic Diocese, Deacon Lawrence Ojok, Manyi Catholic Parish, Eyuyam District, Deacon Isaac Opio, Metebohe Parish, Eyapaj District, Deacon Ambrose Adupa, Deacon Jimmy Dila, Kere Deacon Emmanuel Okelo, Seminarians Apar Magi, Odaho Deacon, Jawa Beach Kedaki Rapirangwen, Mo Diku, Ka Deacon Zario, Odaho Padi, Chawa Beach Kedaki Rapirbichua Bichiel, Meo Diku, Right Reverend Santos Linus Wanok, Bishop Melira Catholic Diocese, Iwiri Jomagi, Yichu Ban, Amogwa Kristo, Amekara tutumia dek. Ikaramete ponyo Kristo kere chame chwiny, Bishop Wanok, Ochiho Deacon kere Padi.
The way of using money today is very tempting and has diverted many good things. And St. Paul says, if you don't know how to use money, it becomes the source of all evil that will come to disrupt the success of your ministry. And we have seen this physically in Uganda. Money is good, it is to be used, it is to be planned. But when you use it to do evil, to buy like vote for ECR, some thought buying vote is the order of doing good politics. And now we are really ashamed in Uganda. Then, in the culture, money must save life. Money must move towards saving life, presenting life for development, for good living, for good relationship, for good work. And today we have learned the hard way. And now the way we are going to move from the shame of the country in all political system, cultural system, religious system, you are going to open the eyes of the people of that. We should use money well to save life.
Vicar General Melira Catholic Diocese, Reverend Father Valente Innocent Opio, Ochiho Cristo, Memi Yuchuak, both seminarians.
The command from the Episcopal Kukunduru, me konye uno, we ma bon wenne. Sapola zela zela, hey when you look at you can not one. When you come to a person, not a shell again, a person got a deep chora gel. Deep chora gel me oranga, kede nuagi, unique person a gel more oranga krenuali, sapola zela zela. Now that the law, maybe that you know what you may have bought. No law, very family as well, or one, you can't put a chair.
Engineer Michael Moses Don Kune, would Nyashime Lao, Tia Ken Obama, a Memo Chaden, Yechuban man.
Dai puni ni jowa, maybe the job getting program of Papa to make government of Kelo, very emotion. Pena Nena. PDMTA, tia wawire ya kinejo. Emyoga tie, tia wawire ya kinejo. Grow project tie, tia wawire ya kinejo. Jobiri sako. Bebe matek ka unjo ame kunyu. Ponye Yesu Kristo ya kinejo ichalo. Iponye langu. Program
O Krista Molo One Low Television, O New Yum Chun, Young Wirotinogi.
I chapel Markway Parish. You are young to not take a permit. We remain Reverend Father Raymond Atola, Maya Wayne Parish. But in Poberg in a yacht, a Corica, and what you told, and a Tulico in a better man, Corona of Rudem and Ballo.
Such parents who don't want their children to become priests or nuns, they don't know what they are doing. When God gives you children, it is better you also give back some of the children to spread His gospel. Because if we don't, then we shall not have priests to help Christians to grow up in faith.
Amutpe One Low Television, Solomon Okabo, Jasper Eguel, Eliracity.
Chelamai gulu tetela mamegi gulu sit gukok ni mono loj me gulu sit me lagien me guakoleo me chilo mati orlega chok orlega mamekini piana dama pol cher konu kanya yuki Sheikh Ismail Muzamil Mandela mtilafony madit pa loye kona chuli Muslim district wani mono dama pol ikeno tena maiko itengudi mon machate genjomo ken makit gipeti ati magicharje megidi wo ginyai chilo mapol twal chok orlega pasla madit matie ibate ke la ibe television Sheikh Muzamil do wani mono joman katika nyai chilo chalo bene jemo kenya uyugi jemo ken mapola ta mawero kabero machak olega paslam pe bero maleng gen met loj me Gulu City Council kon gen ne gwoko leo me kabero meno David Magere take report man pe yuk me lo gange mo chen itika nene ke One Low Television.
Lu loj magidoro gang lega madit pachilam me Gulu City man Gulu City main mosque kono guti rodon dur bod lu loj me Gulu City me kati wa kama leng me konyo gi ke lu alo kama lope ki ping ma rum gi ma pong ki yugi mara chitwali kum kare man kon gen ge wachi jumagi tika balo ka berumeno beru jumagi ke ko me diwo ma kin gitilo chat will mon magi chate ju mara magi warata ma chalo teno agu ikin mukene magi tika balo leo me kaberuge Sheikh Ismail Muzamil Mandela mati kadi me actually Muslim district on office tie Gulumain mosque tero kamaleng per magitika woriye magen gi mer matek toile new mer city nyolo loj me city go tem gi moy iye.
We work closely with government institutions and we don't want to break any single law because we are religious institutions. We deal with the spirits. the spiritual guidance. We guide our people spiritually. So we respect the government institutions and we make sure that we move step by step. So please, anybody who representing Badege Laibi, please, we are agent of development. Help us, we rectify our holy place, the main mosque. The prostitutes, we find prostitutes left some of the stuff which I cannot mention here in our latrines. The street kids sleeps in our mosque.
Peter Banya matira lopko RCC me Gulu City jaime la rope de kono e karme mi loke chochok ma lope ge ko mene yup momo time chochok ke kono o mi otam ni pierta ke twalo mere ge yabwo ka ber mugo mudin na tata e kin ping kidung yu mu ken ma fut ge wa diata dok meno tit ma mere lo loj ma ge go yup me city man gu team.
I spoke to Innocent. We are supposed to open this road long time ago. You know, if we keep on postponing some of these things, other development keeps on coming in. And we're going to get a lot of resistance the day when we try to open it. So now you see some of the kiosks are coming up and things like that. I don't know whether they're in the road reserve or in somebody's land. I think you need to talk to the engineer to come and see that the clear of this thing. By the time this project begins, let's have a proper access. Even if you're not active. Because now, you might not be having salt. You might not be having trucks coming from this side. They might want to access this place from the upper side. So now if they don't have access, that means they're going to decongest this place. Not only
no by economy o tam bots me a me la rope de division kama gen gi tie ka chel me lo kilo wod gi mo kene me nane o gi tima lo ma lope gi on yugata ki dong lok me konyata matika nya wo Geoffrey team matim me a me la rope de division kono o moko kakare pere tek toal ne gen gi bitich I lok me yabu yo moko magi wa gata wa gen lok me on yugata ta.
The matter of this road, the road is already earmarked for tarmacking. We've not opened, but the road is going to be open and also be tarmac under use for project. We need this place to be transformed. We are now moving to the level 2 of city development. We came as the leadership of the city. Now city is moving to another level, maybe opening road in other area of the Wiadul, other areas. So it is something that we welcome.
Ino idwe ma bier me mwaraman kono lo loj me Gulu City tutwale office pa else educator ono ye tutwale ni pero me konya tata tika yirudane city man ero no pia onyuru ngoma gibi temune me nene ye giro pero man lo range Iwan Luo TV David Magere I Gulu City.
Ilok mukene matipi yino lokange mochuin luak magiti ya town council pade district yo matek pe yo makilioni mon Northern Umbrella of Water and Sanitation Facility madite gankan melo kompi kabir maruma pingu ku pipai po maleng obokonya matek dano alibapara bichel mia dek pier bikimakaro magiti e town council man pi mane mai kwani gitengo mikono bokonya matek pe dano magiti ya jan ngagora ta kidonga town council madul makilioni mon Lexus Corporation Uganda Limited a Kubirte project Makilonda Chiakocho Rural Growth Center Pipe to Water Supply System and Sanitation Facility Mautero Chilling billion at Dekton Nabungwen Man Pilwak Magiti Kinpajo Manen Kong Lokman Matudolo Mobino Pilwak Magiti Pade District Ilokom P Maleng.
Champi ikabir mapoli ya chule kany puti pera madit tutwal bodlu te dero manu wero gamente guchako kati meneno ni kitero pi maleng chok bodluak makwo kama gin giberu iye Patrick Mwaka won koma chel me utudu wiesel igojani ward mati ya town council wajuni lok me pi maleng put pera madit tutwale ikaberu ne malwak mero pi man
atike as all me chel kia bear atike dan matika kwa iye mia bichel ipiera bearo via dek madia kwa ya dola pero matia ye lok me pi jomo no fu na piene kar ma water project biene luak pon yang mabe chi so far ko bela tigi as on maramo na chala abichel ki kan ya ber mag no guno pi ko be ko tie ni wen ma ko be no te wa luak ko miro o chul ki pi ni tie la mal ma da tigi luore ye er mire pa da te fu no na yuano pi wa ko cherga er wen edong uchiar la mal
Karbet kumenu, dana mo kene futgi maru pi me kulu. Mamo kene leone pe bed twal kaudok ilok me yot kom. Kanya tiki filda obel achora, karan maneno lok me yot kom. Kila lup ko won koma dek me ata town council.
Obel pe kar manaj ni chaka me dang dok ke kama no pere ikatuko pi. Dana no tomo pi are ma pat. Na chen, domo kene tiyo ki stream ni wang yat. Jomo kene tie magituo mo tangi eto tangi mano tiene kai kar or no line duo dak bo do twal tano duenyo ane kena be bero kakara bero kere ka bale pano tian pe tiu kene achara ka gabu pi dano duo tangi ter kara malachi no jema duo bale ene kena eno ne kabela rio mano wano no yepi tangi ki wangiat ma wato me yepi eto kumbeti an malo ni akate ke ware chakwanya bakara jolo pi ki dogola la kome amera fogi be pimina wa kon kar ma kiti temo pi kumbedi wati pi do abiche ma pe fut ka chulo le ana ngeyo ni nge yapone do ki sensitizing one well ye amount makabi chulo ko pi anani
Pasen me pi ipade district tiema ron piara bungwen wi abich ento karbet kumenu to dier wajo ni char mo kene futgi pere ki pi ma mero ni umiero ke tute matek metero pi maleng chok board gi kid maketimo kede kany iatani kanya tiki Patrick Kulanya entila did maloy lok me pi ipade district
Pade district as far as safe water coverage according to the database of Ministry of Water and Environment stand at 95%. So that implies that 95% of the population already have access to safe water. But for us as a stakeholder of the district, what the ministry consider, they only consider the population, then the number of safe water points that we already have in the district. Then they calculate and they got us at 95%. Where they consider that 300 people can serve water from one like boreholes. Then they calculate that we are 95%. But when you consider other indicators of water like equity, we are 31%. But our committee have gone back to their villages where they don't have safe water in their villages. In Pade district, we say we have about 100 villages without safe water, despite the fact that we have 95% water coverage.
Catherine Angwej, branch manager me facility north, terne kidman bene kibite rupi chalumeno ikaberu chale wachini angagura metoki charu maurumu.
Outside this contract also, while we were doing this contract, we had a request to extend water to Angagura. We are also going to connect 150 connections. This contract is ongoing. At an appropriate time, we shall also come back and hand this over together with the different stakeholders. This system has been designed by the Ministry of Water and Environment. So most of the design work and the supervision has been done by the facility north.
Pia yekwo dok dan ma pol pud mero ni umior gite it gi pi maleng pien pero me pi ya chuli uti dit ma mero tute ki bod gamente me konyo luak makwo ite dero mini gi pi maleng pi wan luo TV Joni Sani uchaga chon ipade district
Akare meno bedo report mwa kibot Joni Sani uchaga chon Ladit maloyo lokombolo kui Kabaremaido district Stella Koriango mogoni mono bolo nying luchu magamero bero wan Komelsa beach o war mafort ni no machel me bolo nying jomagi en ki Kabaremaido district konom e bolo nying dana boro me oedi cheng ento mapolo beneno kibot maiko nye pilo nge mochuin
Erionge taloko pikom yer e district me Kabaremaido ichengatin eno chako kop mechono jabino chungo metel me maker karachel kede els me kan karachel kede da councillors me district ngata da loko pikom yer Stella Koriang modo eno wacho be chore eno chakere iber daja papat eno twero chore ichengatin ene wacho dabe.
I thank you very much. I'm Korean Stella Modo, the returning officer of Kabere Maido. Yeah, we have started this exercise well. So far, we have begun with nominations. Others have brought their list for verification. That is the supporters for verification, and we are verifying as well as nominating. So far, we have the elective positions we have for the direct elected councillors. We have 9, and then we have for the women representative councillors, we have 7. So those are the ones. And then we shall also have for the LC5, actually in total, we have 25.
Jo yonge chore, jo amote ko chore mege, enada twero kelo program maker karachiel kede supo kwir, di kolubo isuliaka bala kitada mitere kede. District councillors mogo time bin ayamo kede yonge chore, nyagin kimito timo, kame oyero gi.
Mamite be come health. Dong yana ne chani gwero ro mite be fukara moro amo miyo kidi dong ya muket piene dong yana ne chani gwero ba ya mi woda muket mogo dog lile woda muket
kini kanya na otiegi jama pergi ka atek ane wana te dog oneno bo timo upgrading ichiro health center 3 to health center 4 mina brepoli doko health center ya health center 2 to health center 3 ya no ready process mero gere otekere annual memon anantie kuno population atie kuno romo ne Brepoli nando kwa health center 3 mare kopamaki soma meneno be sukulun tia melem put classes tiere midwe ogudo sukulun kany dona otie ko gero ngoni mwaka ngongi me kany mere adona donke da mitikire classes kanya pe ena pa primary school.
Neno nango menyime chungati bil ni tena bala be o medike teach wa lemsek because gawana timo na pikansa ma bedo mado tie bala ge neno because o tie yipi neno be pensioners o do setegi jo teach o tie ber o ga meta yose ko timo chi berda neno o yiko ba council hall wada o yamana ba ti parliament timo gi ko dede mito be dongo tie ber mano kan itel na wana tie ni tutwala po tutwala
ikom teli na lemsek chemo ko tigi mora chela ineno be uro liotero chobere meni na me ineno be kai dok yarne mitone no be imakwi be
me age garne na bala be jama mitri council hall bali mendera bala kame speaker be dia ber mere pour nen be o yiko ber dibo committee be council hall pour tinga malo mtebe o yike pour council hall pour be do kede.
Okay, ango bala Jumo Caroline akwanya kara mechungo ne jo teach district Mabel Mado di balango le amito baro teach kede tamna abino winyo tami bujo teach ka pekni gitie ka ginite tamba pugan miro yeki di dwan gi laro modonye council pien balango council na mapore remo dwan gi council
article Germany mero mo baladek Chile omto neno ko pamako dwali o mialwa because leo take the Belgium na podo romi beri tiratir bala most especially take the word kuno amemita meda
kwir nango orema romota de kuyongon ikom kopo temeri kwir me pate mena rem achiel ye obede pwena me otemeri majengo ama wodo be o mao jona line yaromo tomo ko wodo be jona chiemogo miyo ye bino uto kwir amati gede gen this time kwir na yaro lanyo
ichen mere ngata dati chungo pibere won commerce mekang die make mendera me patime NRM Albert Anton Ejoku enana bin okoyamo kopemege iye pona chalaman
kamoko moroni yutiame owacho bopu to kai neno yecha titiri mere gimoroli tutumiri nako to bugaman konjili so yinyi nango sita mobe amabu tiemi bala chincha musimi adu musimi tiemi no kedi kololo oro pore puro kedi yote yi puno pore do wa ineno yote wa Mabel Mado liame pia mo bipinyo do yateni yote liame becho kadididi kai yote yote go oto chiri neni oto kile kali neni oto ndo kali neni yote liame becho so ngatambe kanga du amito timu mateni bala rika timu kedi sita tididi kuskaya neno Government now made $1 billion achiel. The amount of made $1 billion achiel we set ango chitie sek. Amoro set go romo pu yote yipuno poro ko nyengar. En gi manga tamba mitu bino timino. Kede mele kede china ngapad menen babe mara dong. Kede of course neno be yote nyapugan utiyo kede mule kede diweko tij me bura gi memino joti diluor.
Michael Onyinge, P1 Luo TV, Ikabirmaido District.
Kawakalo wachero i West Nile ki Koboko District kichio mateka bile magiti kono pengu yeke doki ni mono kuya chek mameki tiwero gien mapol kitika torto ya padano magen ki biak mabale wigien magano giti tegwak pa bili geno bekalo karme fonye padul me Uganda Human Rights Commission West Nile gitiki men fonyo da mapol magiti lokom gwako toer padano tikan magi mako chek menene gien yoge ker ginen kilubu chek lobo Uganda wek gen go wo toer pa nywali lobo man Fonyaman otime Blue Cats Motel Koboko District kama Robert Ariaka Beruti kuno Kinyingwa Luo TV. Abili ni gowa eni mono kiet makoko mogoti kwere pol kare bien kiyo mawapat metiji ye ento gen mokene peking'e ni kitika toro toer padano en ni kare mekwedo koko me bale. Jem moken malopi kitim mete kwaro bentika bale matekero chiri tij pien dano mokene ben kinywaro koko maket man no peking'e ni mono obero toro twero onyo bene timo bal ikum dan makibiako no timo bale. Ngien go ber kanywa ko taman nyimdo dire me Uganda Human Rights Commission kino dire mokene madongo medul pa bili makiti West Nile uweke nene kichoi wigi kifonye maket man. SSP Joseph Mwesije Matila dit manloi wia bile makiti North West Nile eka amatika logbota bile makobertie fonye mano wen moken mapol gitika on kingeit makono ketoro to arpadano bana kaka umior gitiko mgin eno wani mono makodan man kigwoko mano karo wangchawa miyo kono kedo matek bot abdan makibiaka no timo bal dok bene pol kar loke doko tim gero piano niang dong perekina bili kingat makimako kibiak me bal.
Some of you are here, but you have been very good at infringing on people's rights, over detention, being more annoyed than a complainant. You find a police officer getting more annoyed than a complainant, slapping a suspect, and yet maybe the suspect is innocent. So I think after this training, we shall go as changed people back into our stations, and from there we shall be ambassadors of human rights in our respective stations.
Eno wan mon la bole ka che abili o yabu lemi onyo dong ad makibiako no timo bal no gien mano piere petek dok bena kit makiteno o mer ki gwaka kere pieni mono wang macheko mon ngamo no timo bal kadong loke dogo la bal kelingo o mer ke wo twero ne. Peace ayikoro la tich padul ma Uganda Human Rights Commission manelo konfonye kara matika lok bota bili magi o wani mono dano po bero le dok beno milke wo twer padano en wake luoni twer padano ento pe twer mogata mano miano peke woni. Endo wani mono ability kokoro mergo timi lokom gwoko twer panyoli Uganda mapenche kayemiyo tich man bodki.
To healthy and clean environment which begins with you and the environment around you, and then others continue. Meaning human rights are accrued to us by the virtue of us being what? A human. Human rights are not for animals. Yes. Who do you keep in your detention places? Who do you keep there? As my son says, which people do you keep there? You know, young people, I told him which is for an animal, isn't it? Now, it means you keep human beings. Are we together? You've mentioned the rights, various rights here, but human rights goes hand in hand with what? Responsibilities.
Eno wani mono bulu mapol gitikon kaber muna peke war to ergito to lokom jama mer ka chepe gutiyo no mer poko nom jam ento ti dama pol mabeni gitoro to ero en pa bulu magi. Bosco Okorot matila dit maloyo tich padul me Human Rights Commission man i West Nile owani monopol kare bili peke war ter padano kare ka bet ngat mo ruko uniform nyoben ruko bonrea omier ke wo twero ne labo paro ngama en obedo.
Let me tell you one thing. The police cells or the prison does not know uniform. It is for everyone. It doesn't know uniform, doesn't even know rank. Once you've committed an offense, you are there.
Pilorange moching e Wanlu Television, Robert Ariakaki, West Nile. Ilorange makar kudiere melobo Uganda, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni utieko cheka nyuali Uganda makitika berwa kamechone bod kamente ni woke dul maginti ye ni wekache yub mekenti panyuali mawako omiergiti mabeto chwal pili anyuali Uganda makitika kwa ilob mawako. President Loki Geni Karamakulimo latela Lobo State Lodge Matina Kaseri Kampala igien gobino ikare yub mebolo kuime yartel papati NRM mautum ichabit maukaro enim watiki report eni matut. President Yoweri Museveni awani gimna piere teklo ka mane ngi anga mapti anga dok bene bero ilobo kwene wekache yup maikentie no go yup bero yot panyole Uganda we magiti woro dok lok mano no chwak mapol kibod dar makelo makar piario ento giti anyole Uganda magitika ko ilobe maworo. President wen mon pe tek ni mono te bu komiero betie panyole Uganda we magibedo wote lok ni mono piere tek ni mono chwak NRM kare ka jomo ken bape chwak party ben ko betie church man pien gin duju ti anyole Uganda.
So what I suggest is that we postpone this issue of the committee. And instead, led by Paula Wich, we register country by country.
Eno wani mono choj market mano bujinga matek kero memen kitimo kono tela mapire tek jingo kero padano kibene miyo gumanyalo nikitong donlobo makache udugo pacho no pire tek tochwal. George man ngat ma botelo wiye ayela tit pa NRM maneno kop mawoko man major retired Awich Pola kun bene en kupe ki joma giti state house tela pa Mrs. Barbara Barunji. President wen mon gen guti ka chili lutela pa joma ken magiti woko lobe dudu wakana ne kichoya dano wen kuno George man aworo kama lengi wang luak. Ikin ne lobe maluchundwa ginyulo wangi maaki kwa magiti anyoli Uganda ubirutiye ayobiri United States, Canada, UK, Scotland, Australia, Egypt, Sudan, South Africa, China, Qatar, Turkey, kidong Wales. Iloke kachoke man retired Major Paula wani mono pia tekni mono George mano betie pien mabene loyo ayobo konyo doro dit karipi NRM nyopi Uganda lu mano gen gitie woro. Eno wani mon kachegi choyo lo chwak party NRM magiti UK no rom kilo chwak NRM magiti mbara oima nyosoroti manjo magiti pajoni. Iloke meka wang wele mo akilo maworo Mr. Philip Kakuru paramatek President Yoweri Museveni be yero atigien ka wani mon pira tekni mon kiti kachel mekelo don lobo ilobo Uganda. Pilora ngay mo ching e Wanlu Television Ania Sunday Akumo. Lotela melobe magiti Europe kidong President me Ukraine man Volodymyr Zelensky guru ate Paris kanyamala mapiki tego mengwa ko padano magiti Kiev kidong lobo Ukraine lo kiberne no kit manyamolo kwekelo ku chicken Russia ki Ukraine elwen madotero mwaka ya dekino chuni chak ma Moscow mon kwere Ukraine e mwaka ali bario piario yario kachoke mante kabini karma Russia wen magbiti yodong mon men mechopo lokman kachelok maken me kujubero pere ento gen gimero miro betie entla rital madit mo berutie kin Russia ki en Ukraine ikar mau chako loka chaga ayo belatera lobo man America Donald Trump ento matut waneni report matie kabino eni kombeti itika neno yup miloka ngay mo chwenye futki Wanlu TV. Joma kitiga chung pe yu pinge lok pe kuchman giti bene mapol kare peke miaro katika maleng ento ikinje mabiakti ni gobo timo ayemi yofone matek bodul mon pa Ukraine magati lo moken mati Europe wek gonen niki chung matek tema po yomo chin lobo Russia. Gien gitie kendul ma President Melobo France Emmanuel Macron tika telo wigin manyune mono Europe to bene chung piere kene karibene mono Washington petika mieto nene kiberu tika chiri nyamo lokman inge President Donald Trump katikilok ma piere tek dwe manaken mokare office nyune mono gin taman gramo chung peke kengi ma pat kilobe mukene. Kachoke mano won kome obedo President Macron kidong Prime Minister me Britain Keir Starmer giteki mier mechung ke yo mapol magitikere bebedo pa Ukraine dok kache jogwen ki majo bedo tiyo Amerika nene kitiko ono kilok malengi kumka chung pa Amerika tiningo en ikom luenyi kin lobo Russia ki Ukraine. Russia katika ochaya matek lok makidman kun President Vladimir Putin owaini mono Moscow buye tit ben ki yo pamon mechopo lok man kache winyo maken bedo pere inge kachoke ni enim. En bene owade maleng ni mono pe mero neno lumony meken ma aki Europe me bero tie i Ukraine chek dong lueny manotum omiergo awoko. Lobi magotor neno ti lobi makaro pier dek makitika chunga Ukraine dok pole giti Europe ento bene ti Canada, Australia kachel ki Japan. Ngad matika chung meka wang Amerika kachoke man ni Steve Witkoff matie bene la chung nala wang Donald Trump mapira takotwal ilobo Amerika. Kachoke man obino inganyamo loki Trump mako ichi maucha ke chon kadung la chen loki lo cholo kangeyo berutie ngeye. Europe tia tera petien machel menen gi kero chungi lok makit man dok bene ngitie madano weng tikita machele wangi malupe kilok pa Macron mawaji chande karmo Jola Zelensky maono tika o en ilobo kuno. Kachoke mechi ade kitie me moko achel chungu pa jomaki karawe lok mechi wibie bene. Pelo wange mocho inni Wandu Television ania Sunday yakumo. Welcome to Turmule Mekin Legacy Football Club oberu gola cheli koma cheli kilwane Soccer Academy gente ya pepe koro turmadit matika bino manturume FUFA Regional League kidong FUFA 4th Division kidong 5th Division League kintung muken matika bino chokchoke ikalenda meturo ilobo Uganda wanen kibo David Magere welcome to ilorange moching
Timu dilume Gulu City magiluoni Legacy Football Club go make wako Kilwani Soccer Academy golo acheli kumachel ituru me pre-season man turu me yupe me charo mwa turu manyen alibari ku piru beach alibari ku piru bichel turu dilume yobo yupe pe season man kono o teme malia tutwal ki ba moñ la wo tia de ki Gulu City inyim chake pa season man ino turu man o beru lia tutwal kono o beru choy kumcho kama team ario duchugu morgola chela chel ituru meno inoni karibechi joman gu turu nuchu turu ma chiel golo jere kum jero pol golo mukati turu meno duchu kati inuchu turu ma ario waikine katume ni chake deke rapiar bo chero kedanyim ma wero tim meno go charo novo paluwodge Luani Sports Club ayoko morgolo ike deke rapiar boro keken ikare mala turugi o yoko dilumaki ngolo borma bet twal ma wero gen gu no net pa Legacy Football Club ente ngedeke radeke ken meturu meno kono inoni Legacy pego yeni wigo to liedi kama gen ben gu morgolo meno chot e karma gen gu morgolo gi e deke rapiar bor wi dek kit meno kono turu romo matek tutwal kama go cheria gikine ente tum paturu meno gen pego no kit mor moke ken ma wero turu meno utumo golo achele kuma chel ma lope ki lok pa lutela mi team sario magi kono gen go tene ke tika tute matek tutwal no mergi el team gi malo me koro turu me FUFA 4th Division League magen gi beturu ne mwa turu man alibario ki piru beach alibario ki piru bichel
giti 4th Division ma wati yupo ki turu ma je bien ani 4th Division ki turu mu kene je bien super 8 ki CCU ma je bien de mapa transfer time mama donc so eno beruchalo ne no kero palo turu mo ne matie club ma ke kelegi manyan watemu kerwa an waneno kama kerwa chiye so wadok so wachero wayu
Wiupo ni Luani Soccer Academy kono bero tima chel me Gulu City ma tour ma tek tutwal season mukaro mani tour me 5th Division League kama gengu tour ma bet tutwal kadungu kati me donyo i 4th Division League man tur me namba ngwen inge Uganda Premier League i ruam tur me Uganda gen kon gitigi geni kodi tur machalo kit man bigeru gi matek tutwal pe ko tur ma nyim gin ma pere tekno med gi bet katimne tere kit meno kono gen fut gi bi meta meda menane oloto gi tur ma poli kin teams mokene magati nget gi Gulu City gi kaberu mokene menane oloto ge yobe matek tutwal pe duogo me fufa 4th Division League Lorange comme Touré Wan Luo TV David Magere.
En kimeno wa oya giki yup Lorange mo chwiny Ania Sunday Akumu afoido twale neno yup man kiwan Luo Television.